Засідання.
Sustainability is great. No, it is not. What? It is not sustainable. What do you mean it's not sustainable? Sustainability is just another buzzword. It's hype today and will be gone tomorrow, replaced by the next hype. No, that's exactly the point. Too many behaviors, ideas, and products are only about the present and about consumption. Sustainability is about making things last. Things do not last. And sustainability will not last either. It's an absurd idea. Nothing in the universe is sustainable, not even the universe itself. I'm not talking about the universe. I'm talking about our life here on Earth. Life is not sustainable. Sure it is. Maybe not our individual lives, but humans, animals, plants, everything that lives and procreates. In autumn, it appears as if nature is dying, and in spring, it is reborn again. It's a beautiful cycle of life. And we, as humans, are responsible for continuing the cycle, for keeping it up. You overestimate the importance of the human species. Homo sapiens has only been around for 200,000 years, while the Earth is 4.5 billion years old. So what? That doesn't mean that we are not responsible for what we do to our planet. Besides, sustainability is not only about balancing ecosystems and maintaining the environment. It is also about the societies we live in. It's about equal and fair living conditions. Societies are not sustainable. They keep changing together with the rules upon which they are built. Just open any history book. And sustainability is about the economy. It's about using more renewable energy. It's about producing less waste. And it's about letting go the idea of constant growth. Less is more. Nonsense. Less is less and more is more. Oh, come on. You really have a negative outlook on life. I'm being realistic. If you disagree with everything that the Liquid Legal Institute stands for, why are you even reading our book? Due diligence. You have to know your opponent. We are not your opponent. We're trying to make things better for everybody, including for people who disagree with us. We're in noble intent, but not sustainable. I will hold you to it, though. Yes, please do. So, will you at least come to our third Liquid Experience call? It's on sustainability, and it will happen on the 26th of March at 4 p.m. CET. I would not want to miss that. Okay, there's at least one thing we have in common.